pass me the reason. Make I unlock the ginger. Any style I deliver. Anybody when I like me, they come out there, cause they know get to leave. Some of them not deceivers. I won't come to Fajaye Monaco, but they know get to visa.
How's it going? So, for today's makeup tutorial, it's going to be a beginner friendly in a way, because it's beginner friendly before you do the liner, and then it just goes advanced. If you're a beginner, you can try doing the liner, but if you just want to go for easy, then you just do the eyeshadow look without going all the way to the liner part, because to me it was hard. Basically I spent like 30 minutes on this, which was just something. I got this idea from obviously the 7 Rings song. I got this idea from the smoothening out my highlighter right now. I get distracted easily if you didn't know. So I got the idea for this makeup look from the 7 Rings main. I got the idea for this look. Oh my god. I got the idea for this makeup look on the 7 Rings music. I keep saying makeup music video. So by Ariana Grande, there's this like liner look in the dark that I just felt like I could incorporate into the Valentine's Day makeup look to make it more special in a way, you know, we need it to look special. Anyway, so it's pink. This is pink. In the video, I would put a picture right over here for you to see. It's in the dark, but I kind of got the highlighter parts right and the liner kind of right. So I guess we're going somewhere here, you know. But all in all, I think I did a really good job, and I like the way this look turned out, because I was looking for pink, I was looking for beginner friendly, I was looking for the 7 Rings, which I still ain't got. Like, I need 7 rings, so if you know someone who can give me 7 rings, hit me up. Yeah. No, just kidding, just kidding. So this makeup look is really easy. As I said before, it's really easy without the liner part. And I do hope you enjoyed this look, and thank you for 200 subscribers. I don't know what I would have done without my subscribers. And if you are new here, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so I can like make you deaf with my horrible singing voice, because yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this look, and let's dive into the tutorial. Concealer, and I'm going to be priming my eye with the concealer. I'm taking the lightest shade in that palette, and I'm going to be just priming my eyes. I have already done the underbrow, but I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the concealer to just get a base for the look we are about to do today. Eyeshadow today, we are going to be going in with my E28 eyeshadow palette, and I've been using this palette a lot because it is a default palette and it just has the E28 right here. The shadows aren't really easy to bring out of the palette, but it's beauty on the budget, so I'm just trying to, I know how to work with these type of things because I ain't throwing it away. I paid money for this, okay? I'm just going to be using all of the pink in this palette, like all of these. This is matte. These two have shimmery shades on it, and yeah, let's go. First, we are going to be going in with the matte shade on a buffing brush. I think that's what it's called. I don't usually, whatever, okay? your eyes are beautifully pink and very pink. So you're gonna go and take the shimmery pink shade, the dark shimmery one, and I am taking this. I think it's an eyeshadow brush. It's like flat brush type of brush. I'm very bad with descriptions, so I just have to I think take a course or something because it's crazy. But I'll just show it to the camera because I don't want to look crazy doing this. I don't want to just be like, I don't even know. I'm trying to get myself out of this situation, but whatever. So this is it. Next we are taking the lightest pink in that palette, and I am going to be using that in my inner corners. I'm not feeling it. It's not in your face. So we are gonna go in with a golden shade from the same palette. This shade this shade. And I'm just gonna try and bring out the inner corners more because I want it to pop, you know? And of course, this would not be a 7-ring Ariana Grande makeup tutorial without the actual black liner she did. Like, I was living for that black liner. Like, I had to on her Instagram page, I just kind of low-key looked at the look, and I'm like look. So we're gonna go over this eyeshadow with the liner look she did, but hers was not really on with an eyeshadow. I doubt if there was a really colored eyeshadow. It was in a dark place, so you wouldn't really know. But as well as that, with that said, she actually did the liner on I think a nude or no eyeshadow eye, but this wouldn't be a Val's Day makeup tutorial without some pink or red or anything like that. So if you want 7 rings, you need that liner look, honey. So we're gonna go ahead, sis, and get started with a liner look. So I'm not gonna do the liner and talk because it's gonna be hard, but let's do this. I'm not wearing any eyelashes. I'm just gonna wear mascara. If you want to use eyelashes for this look, good for you, but I just don't feel like wearing them today. It's crazy, but I know I just don't feel like it, so I'm not gonna force myself. Next is going to be foundation, as y'all know.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around it. Watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's realize in these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
My whole life I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly.
Cause I done seen the time going by. Yeah, I done seen the time going
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 you know I've been waiting. But will you wait for me?
And that is it for this week, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, stay notified. Follow me on all my social media handles, which include Instagram, Twitter, and like if you are on the like app, search me up. It's Zara K without the X. So, oh my god, I wanted to go 7 because it's a 7 range makeup tutorial, but I guess 8 doesn't hurt. Like, you need a bonus sometimes. So yeah, thank you for watching. Love you loads, like this much. Bye guys.